Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel. Wait a second, everybody. Oh, Lanny, we have the perfect thing to say for this. This week, we're doing not one, not two, not three, but 4 videos here on our YouTube channel, everybody. This may be a regular occurrence. We may be sliding in that extra video every single week. So get hyped, get excited, follow along our journey to financial freedom. That's what it's all about.
Guys, like this video, smash the subscribe button. Bert's got an exciting ETF video to bring to the community. Bert did a little something back in the fall, and now he's fast forwarding it to today.
So everybody, how many times have we put out a video about VYM? Everybody said SCHD is better. We've gotten that comment so many times here. In fact, Lanny had to get his Vanguard tattoo removed across because he just had all the Vanguard tickets. Like, shoot, I completely forgot about SCHD. Kidding. Well, you know what? I did something last year that's going to put this little discussion, put some numbers behind it, Lanny. We are finally going to know which fund is performing better between VYM and SCHD.
Guys, the two big colossal dividend ETFs. I know VYM is the boring, slower growth, maybe lower beta ETF that I've been buying now almost for 3 straight years. And SCHD from a good old Chuck Schwab is the dividend investors ETF dream. I have nothing against it. I love that ETF as well. I don't own it, but I also give the tip of the cap to the ETF. But Bert, what did you do in the fall that's going to really put a test to this?
Well, I moved some old funds from an old 401k over to a Roth IRA. And at that time, I just wanted to put them into ETFs. But then I had this fun idea. Why not just split it 50-50 between VYM and SCHD? At the time, cost bases are the same. Now we're going to learn. This experiment is going to be live in my portfolio, which one is performing better. So the last round of the investments I made, every time I did it in little tranches to dollar cost average. I did 2 for the exact same amount at the exact same time. I put $9,189 in VYM and $9,189 in SCHD. That's my cost basis on the investment. That bought me 85 shares of VYM at an average cost of $107.64, 121.48 shares of SCHD at an average cost of $75.65. So that's the baseline for both of these funds.
And here we are today filming this, March 7, 2023, where VYM is now trading at $106.64, and SCHD is trading at a nice $74.34. So both ETFs are down from when Bert bought them. But meanwhile, Bert was also receiving a little cash flow from each of them called dividends. So dividend income was flowing from these ETFs into Bert's portfolio. So now Bert's going to see how much is each worth today.
Yep. So interestingly, I forgot to turn on dividend reinvestment. I didn't realize that wasn't automatically set. So I didn't get to reinvest these dividends to get extra shares. I know it's a rookie move. Everybody, you can make fun of me all you want to. I deserve it in the comments. It's fake.
Say it in the comments.
I deserve it. I deserve it. I deserve all
the Rikishi stink bomb is happening.
I deserve it. So in the fourth quarter, VYM paid a dividend of $83.19. SCHD paid a dividend at $85.44. So they were very close, within a couple dollars, which I actually thought was kind of fascinating because SCHD usually has a nice premium on the dividend side compared to VYM. So it was a lot closer than I thought when I was going back and seeing which one received more dividends. That said, the biggest difference between the two popped up in the market value. As Lanny said, the current prices, they're both down. VYM is at 106.64, SCHD is at 74.34. So the investment today from a pure market value standpoint, I'm down $85 for VYM, down $159 for SCHD. So SCHD's market value is in stock performance is performing a little bit worse from a share price perspective.
Now, what about when you include back the dividends received from both companies? It looks like you're still at a $2.22 total, combined unrealized loss with the dividend. And then you're still down $73.78. So
Yeah.
at the time, again, only at the time of this video, it seems like VYM is quote unquote outperforming SCHD by about $71 and change.
Yeah, no, that's exactly right. So VYM has the slight edge about what, 6 months into this. So it's very interesting to see. I kind of predicted that both were going to be trading fairly. Yeah. It's going to be very fascinating to see as we keep doing this. I don't know what, monthly, just monitoring to see when are they going to start splitting apart, or are they just going to keep mirroring each other too? It will SCHD close the gap? Will they take the lead? That's going to be the fun of it. Year to date, just some quick numbers. VYM's down 1.28% year to date. SCHD is down 1.46% year to date. Compared to the S&P 500, they're both lagging the S&P 500 though. S&P is up 4.24%.
But now on a 52-week basis, VYM is down 1%, SCHD is down 1.5%, and the S&P 500 over the last 52 weeks is down 4.42%. So they are both beating the index of the S&P 500. Now, there's another big event that's happening here, and I can't wait for Bert to do this video again, is we have an upcoming March dividend announcement for both ETFs that can really shake things up. And if Bert does it now, or even after the second dividend to get a couple more rounds in, this will look very interesting come Q2, come Q3. And I hope, Bert, you better keep doing these updates.
Yeah, for sure. This was the first one, but you're right. This is going to be timed much closer to the dividend every time going forward, because that's really what's going to separate the two funds going forward. So everybody, just to summarize, I invested by the end of September 2022, I invested the exact same amount in SCHD and VYM. As of March 7th, the day we're recording this, SCHD is down compared to VYM. VYM is performing slightly better when you factor in the change in market value and the dividends received. Not by much, but VYM is performing better today. So here's the big question. Does this match your expectations? Do you like VYM or do you like SCHD? And have you run a similar experiment between these two great ETFs or other ones?
Let us know in the comments below. Guys, if you haven't already, definitely subscribe to this channel. Again, both ETFs are solid, great ETFs for dividend investors trying to increase passive income on that journey to financial freedom, guys. So literally, we're just happy that you're saving money and investing, period. So congrats to you if you own either of the two or both.
Yeah, and again, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. This is great. And remember, if you're not with us, you're against us.
That was Bert, the Herd, and Lanny from the Dividend Diplomats. Over and out.